software, C.E.Z.I Non-Nav version 2.2. Going to C.E.Z.I 3.0. I modified the files on the notepad, so I'm gonna show you later on. I'm gonna take photos of the things that I deleted on that notepad. I'll install the thing. Alright, I'll update you later. Moving on with the update. Now the next file that we're putting on is the biggest file. So let me start it again, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, updating system. There you go. So we'll see you again in a few minutes, and hopefully this is a successful install. Alright, now system is rebooting. Okay, aha, this is looking good. Okay, we'll see. It's still saying updating. Well, that's probably because I didn't take out the disk yet. About sync. All right, now I'm version 3.0. All right, moving on to the third part of the install. Let's put this in. Phone unable to connect to device. Let's close that. And it's still saying updating system software. I don't know how long will that take. Alright, we'll be right back. We are now in C.E.Z.I version 3.0, and Android Auto is back. Let's go check general. About sync. Yes, the Non-Nav version, even though we have the Android Auto over here, and you connect your USB connection, it doesn't show you your maps, which I have the maps in version 2.2. So I will be installing the 2.2 back and staying that way. Alright.